be me cause am o. No nobody blame me o. I dey do my work jejely o. As gunshot come dey happen everywhere from left and right, bing 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 bing. Small pikin wey dey born for ties, wey go run for her life. She dey tell me move on, pious move on. Say me can move on. We no get extra life. You, if anything happen to you now, you get papa, you get mama. I be only child. My mama don't die, my papa don't die. Nobody they speak for me. I be only person. You know how many bullets I use my hand collect today? More than 5 bullets. This one come from right. I'm worried. Okay, I'm worried. I'm not one bomb. I cannot go bomb now.
What's now?
Machi.
Okay.
Who am I? Just move on. Say no. I will not die where you die. As the bullet, they can't take that gun. Okay. Set time for my front. So me you run all your life. When they come to run half a life to be cool. Oh.
Pious. But Pious. Wait, make I ask you. Why you no carry small madam come back?
It's true.
Why you no carry her come back? What if small girl can't reach there and you can't be say the criminals don't kill her?
If the criminal kill her, make the killer now what you concern me. If the criminal like me the killer, what you concern me? Now what I call here come drive oh. I no be bodyguard. I be you see any gun where they carry give me say make I take follow body. I got man motor now boy. This people where they here, we go they shoot now go flush and clean my toilet. Now so you now wanna walk. You not to open gate. You own not to cook. Not be saying sabi cook, but with the manager. Me na drive, I come drive. I no go drive, God. I dey me.
Pious. Pious. See your mouth now. Like tell on no rope. Like tell on no get rope. See as your mouth does they do they go so.
Tell her.
Eh? What is your problem? You carry small madam go outside now, leave and get run. If they kill him now, all of us now go they shake. Eh? Now you make I trust myself, so you don't even go training. You come here, come collect job with me, make me and you come the rush shoulder together. I trust myself. If na me there, na me be the only Nigerian security man where they train for China. For federal government of Nigeria, police commando wear. If you see where they fight for China, I mean they call me chiefo. Chiefo and a chinch ya.
Now you leave get wrong. Why you start say you leave get wrong? You did do.
I tell you, that gate where I live wrong. Now what they call safe defense and civil defense all together. Make I tell you, they say who that person will fight, run, go live to fight again tomorrow. As I come back, so see say the gate they save. Now make I lock and to save now, save everybody, save even Pious himself to save myself. That is the duty.
Christ onion zapota.
What are you still doing there?
Yes, sir.
You go and get the car. Come.
Yes, sir.
Did you see that?
Please help me beg your sister. Make she don't tell your mama wetin I do. Please, sir, please. I don't call your door mouth. I want no. When I get closer, I can't hear different kind of noise. I can't hear, oh my God, oh my God. I can't say, I now have to say, make I return back. Make I come stand here, wait for you to come out. Now that you don't finish your work, I beg, or I help you beg your sister, beg, please. Please, sir, please.
Pius.
Sir.
Before the count of 3.
Yes, ma'am.
You will leave this leg now and let me go where I'm going.
Yes.
1.
Sorry, sir.
Nonsense. My lord. Hey.
Hello, please, but please help me, beg him, please. Please, please help me, beg him. I don't want to lose my job because please.
Babe.
Baby, babe, please, I am begging on his behalf.
Forget this.
Please, just do this for him, please. I am begging on his behalf.
Don't blame this clown. Forget him. Forget this crocodile tears you see him shed. It's not making sense.
Baby, are you trying to tell me that I cannot ask you for a favor?
Yes, ma'am.
Please. Until you do what I asked for.
Yes,
I am going nowhere.
Oh, yes.
Please.
Sure, you know it's because of you.
I know. I know.
If not for you, I wouldn't listen.
I know. I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Yeah, I will speak to my sister.
Thank you. Pious, you may write, but let it not repeat itself again. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Pius! You could stand up from that place. Are you mad? Hey, Pius!
Sir?
Pius!
Sir?
What is this?
I have issue of the leg.
Which leg?
My third leg.
Your third leg?
Yes, ma'am.
You see what I told you?
Oh.
You see this? I told you this guy is a clown. You see, you just take a look at. He's shedding crocodile tears. Look at. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, please.
Madam, thank you very much. God bless you. Now you be correct woman. In fact, now you be our last bus stop. Machi.
Good on you.
Sir?
You and who? Our.
Oh, now she be your last bus stop.
Better.
Yes. Machi.
Are you stupid? Is something wrong with you?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not doing that.
Yes, ma'am.
Respect yourself.
Oh.
Truth.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ebe, ukwu toro ote, onye ma ote ebe ha ga-atọ, ukwu nwa ka ewe ifo, na-atọ mmanụ. No wonder, ị na-akwụ. Oh my God. Ebe ndị mmadụ eriela ihe ọma.
Bushimeti bịa ada akụ eburu rie mgbe a ga-akụ ụgwọ ada akụ eburu.
Ụmụnne Ihe mmadụ na-eji akpara nganga n'okporo ahụ ụmụnne ya owe ya.
You mean jackpot?
Ị ga-aghọta. Kwena gbanwe ihe mere otu m si were nna ayọ. Daa n'ụkwụ ala ọga dịka Mary Magdalene siri daa n'ụkwụ nsọ Kraịst were ntutu isi hichaa anya ụkwụ nsọ. Kem nwere ire mote rachasị ahụ ụkwụ nsọ rakwana arise.
Let there be rises.
Machi mote m si rise ụkwụ nwata ya tọrọ ka ifo. Si ebe ụkwụ ya tọrọ te. Dan below ga-awụzi mmanụ aṅụ. Ọga na-eme ọnụ te that boy onye mụrụ ya gba aka nwa.
Ikrinyo de ya.
Stupid element. Mana the final. God don't forgive me. You see, and I make a rush, enter kitchen, go take a rush, say, my tenure of agoroship has expired. Begin to give me food.
You sure say that Carol believe you say or God don't forgive you?
But you concern me whether she believe or not. If she like, may she become believer. If she like, may she become born again. I no send. I go just find fuck hotel. Fam, what's so yebe? We go on I go drink my tongue. Me?
Come, you don't say that girl. It's really bad you. That girl. Uncle Bayot like come. That girl is stubborn. No.
Forget it. Forget it.
Listen. Shut up, two of you. Stop, shut up.
Himbo.
Shut up.
Thank you, sir.
Himbo, does this place look like a church?
Yes, ma.
Nonsense.
Yes, ma.
Now listen.
Yes, ma.
Listen very attentively.
Yes, ma.
I will not repeat myself. I am having a visitor.
Again?
Are you mad?
Yes, ma.
Is it your business?
Yes, ma.
Udo.
I am having a visitor. Once she comes in, take her to the waiting parlor. The other waiting parlor. Did you hear me?
Yes, ma.
What did I say?
Take her to the waiting parlor. Did you hear me?
You mad?
Yes, ma.
The other waiting parlor.
The other waiting parlor.
Use your head. Don't be stupid.
Thank you.
Did you hear me?
Yes, ma.
Watch this car.
Udu. Ekokwara m aka ala na ahụ agwọtagbukwa ego. Wash this car. Nwa onye nwe wash ụmụ nwaanyị, mụ onye wash car. Ke gaga buru mmiri shibula logi bịa sị m sapụ. Na pick and drop this boy enter. Pick and drop. I'm not sure say this one reach bus stop. Maybe this one dey for bus stop dey wait. Yeah, discharge onye nka. Buru ahụ another one.
Jesus.
Hey.
How do you come where this boy drink since 1 week? You don't finish.
No wonder they give order for kitchen say na come.
Every time I come.
Your mama ni na be ya pusha.
The other day, he sent me at around 11, I go buy milk. In 11 midnight, make I go buy milk for him.
Hey!
Hi!
Atụrụ mụrụ ebule ọgbaka nwa. Na so you go the drop and the drop and the drop and the drop and when you reach the time when you go come bomb pikin. Mgbe ahụ ya wụzie chaff. Ya mụ ọtaghe. Ya mụ ihe yiri Daniel.
Hey!
Utushe.
Hey!
Ma ọwụ props. That boy wey dey call props for Asaba. Make up props. We here no day for here. The game bar. Obanane pu abu brisha agwola no nime waterproof.
Make I even accept this in which in carry come back now. We be like December month. You said something roundabout for grand.
This one now. Hey. This one abo bi akurele mo kweford. Oche na we she good na him be young. Just wait. Turn
around.
One be way they here. The yellow goat. The yellow goat there. Yeah, come on, Gamu, the one camera come. Woo! Hey, wait. This one now. I don't get to go sweet. Go, Maji, throw them up on the neck. When you get a grind, you'll be somebody. I can't see home. Have it. You go here?
How dare you? How dare you leave my daughter in the midst of robbers just to save your stupid life?
Madam, I did not leave her. I did not leave her. It was even God. In fact, everybody in this house was supposed to wait for me.
Will you shut that thing you call a mouth? I'm still talking. I thought you said you were a pilot. Was busy boasting how recognized you are in the society. Why can't you drive an ordinary car and bring my daughter back? Rather, you left her there. Thank your stars that nothing happened to my daughter. I would have skinned you alive. Idiot.
See, madam, no look down on me. No look down on my plane crash and a plane crash. My pathological pattern of driving of aeroplane. As I talk, I'm that very day say I am recognized and people know me very well. Motor nkete. The way they take drive motor safe is different from the way they take drive plane. Plane is very, very simple. Okay, peradventure now, not inside plane, kind of. Piam, the conductor or the pilot come take parachute. Now, say everybody take cover. Life at own risk. Piam, everybody where they inside plane, go so normal, they go carry parachute. Parachute will become their neighbor. You go say, oh, if you have a family here, hold your family tight. As I dey here, so we beside no say, I no get mama, I no get papa, and only me remain. The only thing I go do, I look around, nobody will dey with me. Piam, I wear my own parachute. Piam, mfepo. No, besides, take the way they take drive motor, what's in there for plane? Aeroplane no be something where you say, if you see that button when daughter put there, just press her. Yeah, failure, fly. You put for fly there, fly, charm, yeah, failure. You know, guys, issues. But to drive motor, if you see what I drive today, maybe smart, you know. Those people are so gone. Once you get to that very St. Thomas Junction roundabout, and then your daughter say, move, pious move, see a move, I go, la umara na bom, I told me one time, when I go to go on a throttle. Phew, I come much break. That's why I did like this, eh? The motor can't go up as my own go up like this.
Pius, are you stupid? Are you mad?
Yes, ma.
Are you not? Carol! Carol!
Yes, madam.
Come here!
Yes, madam.
Hold your 2 ears
Yes, ma.
and listen attentively.
Yes, ma.
I don't want to see or hear that you give my food to this idiot ever again till further notice.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray!